Cooper and Patrick are putting away the dishes. They're working as a team. Good job.
Me and Cooper are working like a team and we're brothers.
Yep. Go around, Cooper. Gotta walk around. Go around. Cooper, you have to go around to get it.
I'm gonna go for a little walk over here.
He just wants to stand on one side. Oh. He's gonna try to reach over. Cooper, you can't. Oh, stretch. Oh, good job, Cooper. Cooper, you gotta hand it to your brother. Don't just throw it. Hand it to your brother. Good job. Gotta move your stool now. Patrick, move the stool. Pick him up off the stool. And then move the stool. Okay, Cooper, gotta move your stool. Move to the other side. Come on, Cooper. Come over here. No, Patrick, bring him over here so he sees what he has to do. Keep calm on the stool, buddy. Oh. Gentle, Cooper. One more. Get the last one, Cooper. One more. Cooper, get the last one. Cooper. The last one. Give it to Patrick. Okay, now close it up. Close it up. Cooper and Patrick. Okay. And we say
goodbye.
Yay!
We're a really good team.
Good job, boys. Yay!